Step 1, cut some boards the length that you want the shelves to be. I forgot to film this part, but just measure and cut it. It's not that hard. Step 2, drill some holes in the board, but don't be an idiot like me and only drill one. You're gonna need 2 on each end, otherwise it's just gonna be real tippy. Step 3, pre-drill your hooks. Mine were 5/16, so get the one that says 5/16. That's it, that's all you gotta do. It's just written down for you. Okay, now go pre-drill for where your hooks are gonna be, and don't put it in reverse and make the bit fall out. That's what I did, it's bad. If you can screw in a light bulb, you can screw in a hook. You got this. Celebrate your victory, because it will be the only one for a while. Next, get some rope that you have around the house for totally normal and regular purposes. Next step, I don't remember what number we're on. Thread your rope through the hole that you made in the board. Don't find a buddy to help you with this because it shows weakness. Realize that in this moment, you have fucked up. Remember when I said you needed 2 holes at the end? Not 1? Just do that. Don't make it tippy, because then you're gonna have to go back and do everything over again like I did. That's boring. Don't do that. Using the skills you learned to put yourself through grad school as a professional dominatrix, create some shelves. Then add a second and third tier, like Taylor Swift concert ticket pricing. Look at how cute my dog is. Stabilize the shelves by pulling the ropes taut and then tying it to a screw so the knot stays in place. It's self-explanatory if you watch the video. Congratulations, now you have a dope-ass plant shelf for all your plants. Good luck. Have a good day.